Birds are found everywhere on this planet in many beautiful colors and patterns. All of them are very unique and charming, but blue-colored birds are very rare. This color is also thought to be a symbol of royalty and attracts many people. Whether it's a bird or any other animal, blue color looks stunning on it. These birds can range from very small to very large. Today, we are going to show you some of the most beautiful blue-colored birds in the world. Without any delay, let's get rolling. 10. Steller's Jay. The Steller's Jay is a blue-colored bird found in western North America and Mexico. These birds are found at elevations of 3,000 to 10,000 feet. The food of Steller's Jay is unguarded picnic items, insects, berries, seeds, nuts, eggs. Let me discuss an interesting thing about this bird. This bird steals food from other birds. The nests of these birds are just above the ground level. Other names of this bird are mountain jay, long-crested jay, and pine jay. Steller's jay is one of the most intelligent birds. It can weigh nuts with their beak and can determine which is the heaviest one. It is known worldwide for its beauty and stunning-looking body. Blue jay. The blue jay is a passerine, pretty bluebird that is native to North America. These birds are boisterous bullies, loud and aggressive that threaten smaller birds. Do you know that these gorgeous birds are considered by some people as the symbol of intelligence, communication, and curiosity? This bird has blue, black and white plumage, perky crest, and noisy calls. They are recognized by their rounded wings, steady flight, white underside, and long tail. Most of the diet of these birds is composed of nuts and insects. This bird deceives other birds by producing the voice of hawks, especially the red-shouldered hawks. The average lifespan of this lovely bluebird is at least 26 years. Great Blue Heron. The Great Blue Heron is one of the largest herons found in North America. It has the thick, dagger-like bill and sinuous neck, and long necks. I must tell you that these birds curl its neck into a tight S shape, with its legs trail beyond its tail. Although it is a gorgeous bluebird, it appears blue-gray when you see it from a distance. These bluebirds are mostly found in open coasts, freshwater habitats, sloughs, marshes, riverbanks, ponds, and lakes. Great Blue Heron feeds on small fishes, amphibians, small mammals, rodents, small birds, and insects. This stunning bluebird is a sign of self-reliance and determination according to North American native tradition. Indigo Bunting. Indigo Bunting is a seed-eating, beautiful bluebird that belongs to family Cardinalidae. The habitat of this bird is open deciduous woods, bushy forest edges, farmland, and second-growth woodland. Some people ask whether Indigo Bunting is a songbird. Yes, the male Indigo Bunting can sing as many as 200 clear, sharp, and high-pitched songs per hour at dawn. These alluring bluebirds eat insects, berries, buds, seeds, and grains, such as oats. Apart from this, it may feed on buds, twigs, and leaves of trees such as beech, oaks, and maple, etc. Indigo bunting nest on the edges of woods, in fields, and on roadsides. Before we move on, here's a quick challenge for you. If you can leave a like on this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notifications in less than 5 seconds, you will have 10 years of amazing luck. Hurry up and try it. It actually works. 6. Belted Kingfisher. Belted Kingfisher is a large blue-colored bird commonly found in North America. This pretty stocky blue-gray bird is 13 inches long with a double beak crest, long, sharp, pointed bills, large heads, and short legs. It also has a wide blue-gray belt on its breast. These appealing blue birds are found near rivers, streams, lakes, ponds, and estuaries. Belted Kingfisher nest in burrows. Let me discuss an interesting concept about this bird. It is considered a symbol of good fortune and fertile harvest. This intelligent bird dives into the water to avoid hawks eating them. A group of kingfisher is called a rattle or a crown of kingfishers. Hyacinth Macaw. At number 5 in the list is Hyacinth Macaw, a parrot that is native to Eastern and Central America. The body of this delightful blue parrot is cobalt blue with a yellow base, and the corners of its beak and a ring of bright yellow around its eyes. It is longer than any other species of parrot, with a length of about 1 meter from its head to the tip of its long tail. These intelligent parrots can talk. But let me inform you that Hyacinth Macaw is an endangered species. And about 2,500 to 5,000 Hyacinth Macaws are left in the world. Mountain Bluebird. The mountain bluebird is a medium-sized, beautiful bluebird. It weighs about 30 grams and a length of 16 to 20 centimeters. The male has bright tortoise blue upper parts and lighter underneath. On the other hand, female birds have gray breast, duller blue tail and wings, gray throat, crown, and back. The average lifespan of this bird is 9 years. Mountain bluebird has straight, thin bills, rounded heads, long-winged with a long tail. These birds mainly wander in large flocks. These pretty birds are omnivores and eat insects such as Hemiptera, Coleoptera, and Orthoptera. Indian Peafowl. The Indian peafowl is a blue-colored pretty bird native to the Indian subcontinent, South Asia, and Sri Lanka. It is known by many other names such as blue fowl, common peafowl, and blue peafowl. The male birds are more beautiful than female birds, especially their wings. These male birds are known worldwide for their extraordinary beautiful feathers that cover the tail of a peacock and is about 5 feet long. Females have an iridescent green neck, browner plumage, but do not have long tail feathers like their male counterparts. Because of the rich religious and legendary involvement of Indians with peafowl, it was declared the national bird of India in 1963. Mexican jay. The Mexican jay, also is known as the gray-breasted jay, is a gorgeous bluebird. These large songbirds have grayish-blue back, blue head, wings and tail, dingy white underparts, and a long tail. This bird nests in pine, pinyon, oak, and other trees on slopes, canyons, and mountaintops. It is omnivorous and mostly eats seeds, acorns, and insects. Sometimes it also eats small snakes, lizards, mice, birds' eggs, or other small birds. It prefers to live in the montane pine oak forest. This bird is famous all over the world for its beauty. Blue bunting. The blue bunting tops the list of most beautiful blue birds in the world. These birds have striking colors. The male is blue-black with bright blue lore, crown, rump, and shoulders. Females are rich cocoa brown in color with faint streaking on the breast, but its underside is cinnamon brown. It usually nests in shrubs, small trees, tangles of vines, briars near open areas. An interesting thing about this bird is that its blue color is not due to blue pigmentation. Instead, it is due to microscopic structures in its feature that refract and reflect blue light. These birds are known for their eye-catching blue color. Well, that's it for this video. Did any of these surprise you? Don't forget to let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you like this video and check out others on the Forever Green channel. See you in the next one.